Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to reset this service due now message and set the oil life to 100%. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to reset this message, you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel and you'll be looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. So what I will do, I will try to squeeze my phone in there so you can see it better. So keep pressing the right button until you reach the settings and then press OK. OK is the button in the middle. Once you are here, you want to scroll down all the way down until you reach maintenance. Press OK again, and here you have oil control system. Press OK, and engine oil service due in 0 kilometers. Now to reset, you see it says press OK to reset. You will press OK and confirm reset. You will again scroll down and press yes, and that will delete that message. And of course you should do this after the oil change, because this is an important feature which reminds you that your next oil change is due. And just for the reference, so this is the OK button in the middle, and to scroll through the menu options you just want to, it's actually like a small wheel, you just want to go up or down to go through the menu options, and when you press it in, that's the OK. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.